This video is going to be about how I set up my home office. Okay, today I swore was going to be a video day, and now here I am not getting videos. I'm going to show you what my usual setup was for my Facebook Live. This is where I usually stood for my Facebook Lives in my Facebook group. And as you can see, I always had to have it like cleaned up and everything in the background. And I got a new neon light. I got two of them actually. But one time when I did a Facebook Live, the TV was showing in the microwave. However, I had the TV and it was that show Botched. And it's a show about plastic surgery gone wrong. And the video, or the one that was airing at the time, was breast implants. And so in the microwave, it was showing that TV show and I did not know it. And somebody commented, "Thank the Lord," in the comments, "What's on her TV?" And I moved just like this to keep it from showing up on that. Okay, so I needed to get out of this. And I'm not a kitchen show, so I didn't want to have my videos look like I am a kitchen show. So I decided that I would paint one kitchen wall. That's what I thought I was gonna do. I was just gonna paint one wall. And then that turned into two walls in the whole kitchen and flooring in the other room and all the home improvement projects that I needed to do. So I'm gonna turn my camera around if I can. I don't know if I can turn my camera around on video. Well, I can't turn it around on video. I can only do it on social media. What I'm gonna show you next is my office, like where look, my blinds are crooked, where I work when I work from home. All right, this is the home office. Now, I recently redid this, and you can see, and I'm gonna be totally transparent so that you can see everything. I used to sit here on this side, and my daughters throw all of their school stuff over here on this side. Well, I'm trying to switch. It's gonna take us a while to figure it out, but I'm trying to switch that around a little bit. And the decorations on the wall are all new. I got them all at Hobby Lobby. And then I just finished the Principal Life picture right up there today. And that was a whole debacle. Maybe I could do a video on that. I don't like the lamp so much. And I'd like to get my tripods and cameras like all in one unit. This little clamp on the table, that's clamped to the table right here, is supposed to be for me to be able to show my iPad, in videos so that I can show how I use my digital planner. So I'm going to talk just a little bit about this setup. So this is a new kitchen table last year because I just needed a place to work and a place to eat and like a home, just like a grand central station here. So a lot of times the kids eat here, and I'm not gonna make excuses for my messy house because I'm a mom and we shouldn't have to, but there you go. So anyway, here is how it is set up. The shorter camera is a webcam that I have hooked up to my computer for Google Meet or Zoom or screen recording it's better quality than my camera in my laptop. This is the ring light that I used for my Facebook Lives. So this is where, and there's a little spot where you can see you can put the phone, it's facing the other direction. But that's where I would put my phone when I told you I was standing over at the counter. Ideally, what I want is this shot right here. I'm gonna have to move my webcam back a little bit because you can see it's right here. And I'm about probably 6 to 12 inches farther back from that. But anyway, this is like my home office. Video or no video, this is where I work. I can't work on the couch and all that kind of stuff because I just don't get anything done and get sucked into Hallmark videos, which is what's on right now. And then I'll talk a little bit about my home office and that setup as well. Ideally, this would be my video and work setup for my camera. Now, right now I'm not, like I haven't planned this all out, but I swore I was gonna do video today. So I have my laptop, and that's why the light is flickering. My laptop is hooked up to the light on my laptop down here. I also have my iPad down here, and I'll talk about that as far as how I use that now instead of all the Post-its and paper and everything, and that has changed my productivity tremendously, but I went all in. So this is kind of what I have been going for. I need to get my setup right, and this isn't something that I can set up and leave set up in my house. I'm gonna have to figure out, if I wanna shoot video, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that batching or setting it up certain times and being able to take it down, because I live in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 15 square foot house, and we live in all of it. There are 3 of us and we take up all the space. So if I have this setup that you've seen on this video on this table all the time, then my kids don't have any place to throw their backpacks and all their stuff, and we don't have any place to like eat dinner or sit and have a chat and things like that. So this is just kind of my setup for this. So I wanted to share it. This is an uncut video that I swore I was gonna get video out today, and that's what I'm gonna do. So maybe this is helpful.